Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome, guys. So today, guys, I'll be making micellar water. Yes, I am recreating micellar water. I have been buying this from the shop. I think it's up to like €4, but I thought to myself, why? I'm a skincare formulator, so I can actually make this. So guys, watch as I make this micellar uh water, and this is actually great. You can also try this. Okay guys, The micellar water is ready, and this is really great. I have been buying this product for up to €4, and like I can make this product. And let me tell you something, guys. If I'm going to be selling this micellar water, I'm going to be making it very rich, like adding more of moisturizing ingredients into it. Remember that anything that has to do with face cleansing, face washing, tends to dry out the skin. So you need a lot of moisturizing ingredients when you're making micellar water, or you're making any facial cleanser. And also you can add in oils. Of course, you can add in oils to your micellar water to keep your skin not that drying after cleansing. And guys, this product is actually great. This is exactly how micellar water looks like, not how it looks like. This is how it is. So this is very easy to make, and the ingredient is very cheap, very cheap, very cheap. So guys, if you want to learn how to make handmade skincare products, we can teach you from the scratch. If you also want to learn how to make the promising product, we can also teach you safe promising skincare products. So my WhatsApp contact is below the description box. You can chat me up, and we can take you through the journey of how to make safe skincare products. Guys, trust me, I'm not going to be buying micellar water in the shop anymore. I'm done. So I'm going to be making my own, and I think I'm still going to be, maybe if anybody wants, I can make for the person can actually buy it from me. But if you also want to go and buy in the shop, no problem. I think it's €3 something. You can also get the one of €2 or €1 something. I think so. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.